Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you exactly how to form your LLC completely free. Yes, you heard that right, without spending a dime on formation services. I'll walk you through every single step so you can get your business up and running without breaking the bank. So let's start with the basics. An LLC, or limited liability company, is basically your best friend when it comes to protecting your personal assets. You see, if something goes wrong with your business, your personal stuff, like your house, car, and savings, stays safe. Plus, LLCs give you great tax flexibility and make your business look more professional to customers and partners. Now, you might be wondering what forming an LLC usually costs. Well, typically, when people use formation services like Tailor Brands, they end up spending anywhere from $300 to $500. The thing is, these services charge for things you can actually do yourself. You have got filing fees, which vary by state, registered agent services that can cost around $100 per year, and then various add-ons like operating agreements and EIN registration that can really add up. But here's the good news. You can actually do all of this yourself without spending money on formation services. I mean, sure, it takes a bit more time and effort, but if you are willing to put in the work, you can save hundreds of dollars. The only costs you will have are the mandatory state filing fees, which unfortunately cannot be avoided, but we will talk about choosing a state with low fees in just a minute. So, first things first, you need to pick the right state to form your LLC. Now, a lot of people think they should form their LLC in places like Delaware or Wyoming because they have heard these are business-friendly states. But actually, for most small businesses, the best state is usually the one where you are physically operating. This saves you money because you would otherwise need to register as a foreign LLC in your home state anyway, basically paying twice. Let's talk about state filing fees. You will want to look for states with low filing fees if you have flexibility in where you form your LLC. For example, Kentucky only charges $40, while Illinois charges $150. The thing is, you need to balance these costs with other factors like where you live and work. Okay, so here is where we get into the actual process. First, you will need to visit your state's Secretary of State website. Every state has one, and this is where you will find all the forms and information you need. The website might look a bit overwhelming at first, but do not worry. I will walk you through exactly what you need to do. Now for step 2, choosing your business name. This is actually pretty fun, but there are some rules you need to follow. Your name must include limited liability company, LLC, or LLC. You will need to search your state's database to make sure no one else has taken your name. Most state websites have a free search tool for this. Here is where people often think they need to spend money, but you actually do not. Every LLC needs a registered agent, someone who can receive legal documents for your business. While companies like Northwest Registered Agent offer this service for about $100 per year, you can actually be your own registered agent in most states. The only requirements are usually that you have a physical address in the state and can be available during business hours. This is the big one, filing your articles of organization. It sounds fancy, but it is basically just a form that officially creates your LLC. You can find this form on your state's website, and while it might look complicated, it is actually pretty straightforward. You will need to provide basic information like your business name, address, registered agent information, and sometimes the names of your LLC members. After your LLC is approved, you will need an EIN, employer identification number. Think of it like a social security number for your business. The good news, you can get this completely free through the IRS website. It literally takes about 15 minutes, and you will have your EIN right away. Now, some states require an operating agreement, while others do not. But either way, it is a good idea to have one. You can find free templates online that you can customize for your business. This document outlines how your LLC will operate and can help prevent issues down the road. The final step is setting up a business bank account. You will need your EIN and LLC formation documents for this. Many banks offer free business checking accounts, so shop around for the best option in your area. Before we wrap up, let me share some common mistakes to avoid. First, do not skip the name search. You do not want to file everything only to find out your name is taken. Second, make sure you read all the forms carefully before submitting them. And third, keep copies of everything you file. You will need these documents later. So there you have it, a complete guide to forming your LLC for free. Remember, while formation services like Tailor Brands can make the process easier, you can definitely do this yourself if you are willing to put in the time. Just take it step by step and do not rush through the process. If you need help along the way, most state offices actually have really helpful staff who can answer your questions. And of course, you can always drop a comment below if you need clarification on anything we covered today. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your new business venture. Do not forget to hit subscribe for more business tips and tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions about forming your LLC.